Hi guys, I have made an earlier video to show you what was wrong with this Whirlpool Duet Sport. This is the model and this is the washer. So the problem was when it's running underneath here, this drum, this is supposed to shake like this, and this shock absorber was broken in a way that there is a plastic piece like on this side and at the back of this, and it was fallen right here. So I put the plastic piece back there, put them together, but small piece was still broken, so I put the electrical tape on the top of it, and then I put some tie wraps. So this seems to be holding for now. I ran the washer and tested it for one full load and it looks to be okay. But the other problem was it was dripping water from here somewhere around this area. So I put the pan there, that's the temporary solution, so the water doesn't drip all the way here and damage the base, and eventually it's gonna come out on the floor. So I went to Home Depot or Walmart. I think I've got it from Walmart. You can get it from both places. This is flex paste. This is a black paste, and you can use one of these putty knives to put this here. So I pasted this generously all around, underneath, to the side, try to go in the back also, and all the way underneath. So this is still somewhat wet, it's not fully dry, it's more than 2 hours. So they say it should be set in 15 minutes to 1 hour, and then you need to wait 24 to 48 hours before it is fully secured, and that's where it stands now. So just wanted to show you that how you can seal the water leak coming from the drum. I'm not sure if it's fully fixed. I will run it probably tomorrow and find out. But this is the thing you need. There are many other stuff, but this is the thing I liked. You can put a paste on it and it should stop the leak, or it is supposed to stop the leak. All right, just wanted to share it with you guys.